Absolv is a Salesforce implementation and consulting company, and we've been around for over 6 years now. We've worked with over 250 customers and performed over 500 projects. It really all starts with our core purpose and passion, and we talk about that being really what's the reason that we all get up in the morning and do what we do, and it's to power extraordinary results.
Customers will always ask me, what is the purpose of having my business be managed in the cloud as opposed to be managed on site on a server at my location? And I think we're seeing a lot of great examples here in 2020 with the workforce being dispersed. We're not even necessarily managing people on site anymore. It's becoming less and less practical to manage systems on site.
One of the biggest things we look for in terms of determining a client's success is the overall adoption to the platform. A lot of times we're bringing in a new system that is new to an organization, and change management is super important, and how customers are going to interact with that system and how users are going to use that system. So we do an extensive training with our Absolv projects to make sure that users know how to use the system, they know how to onboard users onto the system, and they know how to use the system end to end.
Back when Absolv began in 2014, we were primarily an implementation business. We had a lot of one and done projects, a lot of customers that we saw once or twice in a short period of time, and we had them off on their way and running. But what we've really found as the years have gone by and our customer base has grown is that many customers are very much on a journey with Salesforce. They weren't looking for just one particular initiative that they wanted to implement off the start. As such, we have more and more customers all the time that have regular subscription agreements with us that allow us to get them further and further down their roadmap on the platform. Oftentimes we see this starting with sales, quickly ballooning to marketing and then wanting to bring financials onto the platform. As well, we see a lot of customers that are looking to connect a number of different systems together using Salesforce as their system in the middle or their system of truth.
We take the long view with our customers. In the end, they have incredible success and they grow along with us.
The implementation of Salesforce with Absolv's help has really affected a number of processes within our sales and business development function. We have a common vocabulary, a common database, engineering, sales, finance, all use the same information. And what's impressive is it's eliminated an entire hidden factory of spreadsheets and down-level data that existed before implementation. We have a number of locations throughout North America. In fact, we have about 12 different cities, each with their own business development function. One of the challenges is how do we get the information from each one of those cities up through the management system so we can be effective in both helping business development and in understanding how our processes are moving through the pipeline.
First of all, at Salesforce, where are we? What's the opportunity? What stage is it in? What is the next step? What is the value of the opportunity? And it got to the point, the visual of looking at the N-Wave map geographically. Everyone on the call, whether you were a leadership or an individual contributor or management or brand new to the company, you all of a sudden had the same information, the same knowledge to actually produce valuable comments and move the project forward. And that's really what it's all about, is to have complete efficiency from the beginning to end so you can actually close business much faster.
One of the real unique features that Absolv helped us implement is what we call the custom heat map. It's our ability to show every single building connected to our distribution system and where the opportunities fit alongside of those. And that's transformed visually how we see opportunities, how we can discuss them with our customers. It's also transformed how we do our engineering.
I'm very happy to say that after working with Absolv and the N-Wave leadership team, we were able to implement Salesforce across multiple departments, many cities, and we did it all without leaving our offices. We did it through video conferencing and the power of implementing Salesforce in the cloud.
I think the transformation in our sales management system has been transformative, and I really want to thank David, the Absolv team, for all they've done in helping us match our business processes to the system, to how we have improved it overall.
We are now leveraging a North American relationship that we've spent time and effort over the course of time to build up strong relationships and leverage them to close a new business.
At Lift North America, we started working with Absolve in 2017, so it's been 3-4 years now. They've been a great partner in helping us. As a small company, we're growing quickly, and it's great to be able to offload a lot of the development that we need to do with an implementation partner that understands our needs as a small company growing quickly, with the expertise that they have in developing solutions for our workflows in Salesforce. So we moved to Absolve to help us implement Field Service Lightning several years ago. In fact, it was the first probably implementation that Absolve did with us, and that we understood that we had hundreds of customers with thousands of trucks out in the field, and we've got technicians out in the field that have to be staying on top of that. We want to do preventive maintenance and find problems with trucks before they become an issue, and then certainly minimizing the big breakdowns when they actually happen. Therefore, using that big data, if you will, to help our customers save money. And in order to do that, we have to have cloud computing. We have to have our technicians with the information at their fingertips. And Absolve helped us do that with Field Service Lightning, giving our mobile technicians all the information and all the corporate memory that our company has about our customers and their fleets, so that when they're making decisions out in the field, trying to solve a problem, fix a truck that's down, they have all the information they need to make the best decision for us and our customers.
A few other areas where we're different than our competition. One is our experience with Field Service Lightning. This has been a game changer for businesses who have people out in the field. So Field Service Lightning is a product that's come out in 2016, and Absolve has been at the forefront of this Salesforce product.
We come in as Salesforce consultants first and focus on the key KPIs that the client wants out of the project. So the importance of having cloud-based software applications as one of your user applications running your business is that the flexibility and the accessibility that it provides, especially in today's world when everybody is going remote, having your software online is the way to go.
Another differentiator for us is a implementation package called Propose to Project. So any business that sells hours, essentially, it could be an engineering design firm, could be a professional services firm, could be a building maintenance company, everywhere from handling your marketing, your core CRM, through to our patented custom proposal creation system, all within Salesforce, through to electronic signature and all the downstream automation that now takes place in your business. We power extraordinary results with the people and the businesses that we work with.